Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am just doing only up, well, what was that?
Party hacker, you need help?
No, I don't need help.
I need help on the ice bit though. Yeah, I can help you.
I can't do the ice bit.
Hold on, wait, yo, do you need help? Do you need help?
I'm purple.
Yeah.
I'm purple.
The guy with the white can you help me with up there?
Where I'm going?
This guy
Wait, just climb and then jump down.
It's a picture. It is a picture. Yeah.
Oh, finally. Why is there apples? Oh, these apples.
Okay. I'm going kind of fast. Cause I need
You're black, I'm black.
to go.
Black, I'm black. Black. It's me. Who you was helping?
Wait, how much is speed running this?
I need
Oh,
help.
shoot.
I'll help this guy down.
Oh, no. Oh, just. Wait, but I could afford that. No, what the heck? But it's already been 2 minutes. Oh, right, control battery's low. Oh, I swear, he double checked me.
I understand it now, bro. I understand it. Bro, yo.
I'm getting rage baited.
I understand it now.
Come over.
I understand it now. I understand it.
Okay, this is kind of hard, but I only need to practice.
Does anyone need help with the ice bar? No, I can do the ice bar. You're black.
Where do I go?
I can show you. I can help you. I can do it. I can do it. I done it.
It's just gonna let me first.
Oh, shoot. That was close.
I can help you.
I did it.
Don't push it there. Yo.
Oh.
Nowhere.
Jump up here.
Oh, over here? I know. I'm about to. Oh shit. No, I'm so bad at that thing.
I thought you fell.
What?
Oh my god. Well, how did I do that? Oh my god.
Yo, I don't. Someone go to the top of the Yo, I was the one that was helping.
Yo, Sword Kid, you're back. Sword Kid, you're back.
Now where?
Oh
no.
Sword Kid.
Yo. Oh,
Oh.
I know it.
What do you mean I'm back?
You was in my lobby like 2 minutes ago, just the same one.
I mean, that is true, Anna. Okay, guys, that is true. It's because I was gonna make a video. Oh! Go.
much more.
Yes.
This is
Mate,
much
I'm
safer.
coming, but I'm not at
This is my
second
own
checkpoint yet. I
Oh,
can
no.
help you. Dude, this
We
one
might think
be
I
bad.
left again.
Up here, up here, up here.
Wait, we need to lock in, man.
Yeah,
Wait,
we
wait,
need
wait.
to lock in here.
Oh, I know. Shit. Oh, no.
Nice. And then just do
Oh,
this.
no.
This is how I've done it.
Oh my god.
No, he just falls. No, Blue, he falls down.
What checkpoint are you at? What checkpoint are you at?
Like me, bro.
No way, I'm so sorry.
Dude,
How did I fall in? I'm so sorry, bro.
You just fall down again. You just fall down again.
What checkpoint are you at, guys?
Oh.
You fall down again, bro.
I'll help you all the way up, okay?
Guys, you're all the way up there. Dude, just I can help you. I can help you.
Shoot. Oh my god.
I know I'm all.
How much minutes has it been?
You won't tell.
6.
I need to walk in now.
Wait, hold up.
Park
I'm
minutes.
about to walk in. Never mind.
This video will at least be like 11 minutes.
Oh, no.
Yo, guys, can anyone go to the teleporter too?
Yeah, and this video will be 12 minutes.
Bro.
I need to walk in now. I swear.
Actually, there was a bun.
Oh, I didn't. Yo,
We should be like 10 minutes. I think like 10 or 11, 10 or 11, or maybe 4. Nope.
Let's go together. I can do this, hold up.
Oh my god!
Together.
Okay, what was that?
you gotta like jump on the last part.
Okay.
Bro. Yeah. Where's the checkpoint?
Yes, W.
I got.
Please do it. Please do it. Do it. Do it. No. Yo, God. Are you Dutch?
But I can feel the sweat on me right now.
Yeah, even me, bro.
I can actually feel it.
What is
I think I can feel the sweat.
Are you Dutch? What does that mean? You're from the Netherlands. The Netherlands.
I'm probably gonna only make like one video today, which is this one. I might make another one, but probably not. No. Okay, that's good. No, that's close.
Now let's do it.
Oh shoot. But what was that? What was that? The bow! Bow! That was so cool. Okay. This is really annoying. By the way, this is part 1, so I might make a part 2. Okay. Only 9 minutes. So it's only been like 3 minutes. Let me just like 2 or 1 minute, and then I will end the video. Maybe. Or I might not.
I'm a massive fan, and it's been when I'm straight up looking at it like 2020, like 2021 or something. I can't wait for it to come out. I'm absolutely so unbelievably excited. I never thought it would actually happen until this year. Hello, come on up, man. Your party hat. Do you need help?
Nah.
Do you need help?
I'll just try by myself.
You're doing really well, man.
I can help you.
Really well.
No, it's
Hold
okay.
my hand. I can help you. Come on. Why did you really want me to help you?
I don't really know.
Mama, mag ik nog even? You really don't need help?
Maybe at the bit right before checkpoint 1. Because I haven't got to checkpoint 1 yet.
Grab my hand and then just lift me.
Please, I'm on it.
Oh, you didn't even have to do that. Wait, hold on. I can help you.
Wait, I can get you to second checkpoint real quick.
Second?
You want me to help you?
Okay. That's the end of the video, guys. So bye.
Yo, I can help you, bro.
Bye.